Alright, so I got a small dink to start off the day. Check it out, little bitty one. So, just gonna go back and there he goes. Hey, what's up, guys? So, Ebonics fishing out here. It's Sunday, August, I think 5th? 6th, sorry, it's Sunday, August 6th. It's about 8:30 right now, and 82 degrees right now. It's a little windy, probably about 10 to 15 mile an hour winds right now. Not very windy. I'm out here on a pond, trying to get my bearings a little bit, get used to this kayak fishing thing. Heck yeah. Alright, so you guys may have seen me flip my kayak. I've gotten a little better since then. Still not a pro. Don't know if I'll be a pro. I'll definitely do my best to get better at fishing on a kayak. That's the whole reason I bought a kayak, is so I can get to spots that can't really get to on a boat or can't really get to off the bank. So I got the kayak, and gonna do some kayak fishing today and try to catch us some big bass. All right, guys. So I got the suspended jerkbait on right now. Got one. Came off. Let's try this again. Got one. Got a good one. Oh, okay, got him. Got him. There we go. Got him. Alright. Now that we got that, let's get you loose now. Alright, it's a good one. Long. It was a long girl. Take a quick pick. What do you guys think? Pretty decent. I'll just release you. Got another one. Another one. Got another one. Got another one. This one is a little dinky. A little dink. So I got another one. But I got another one. A little dink. A little bit of dink. Nothing crazy. Check them out. What do you guys think? A little dink. Let's get the release on this one. Got one, another one. Got another one. Got another one. Little dink. A little dink. Little dink. Let's see if I can get you. Ooh, we got you in the back. There we go. Another one. What do y'all think? There you go. A little dink, another one. Still, the suspended jerkbait's been working. Got another one, another one, another one, another one. All right, let's get the release. Get the release, guys. All right, brother. There you go. Yeah, it's hot right now. It is about 93 degrees right now. So it's pretty hot. I'm trying to keep myself covered. That way I don't lose a lot of fluids and I don't get burnt. So yeah, I got this mask on right now. This little, trying to not get burnt. My legs, on the other hand, are gonna get toasted. But I did apply some sunscreen again. It's very important that you guys keep yourself protected at all times from the elements, from any kind of surprises. Why I wear a life jacket all the time. This might not be, you know, the best life jacket that money can buy, but it's a pretty darn good life jacket. Got this at Academy. Yeah, so it's very important for anybody that wants to try to do some kayak fishing. Don't take it from me. You can take it from the pros, but if you take it from me, you'll see that life jacket can save your life. I mean, the first time I was in a kayak, I actually flipped the kayak. I've never been in a kayak before. I bought a kayak, decided I wanted to do kayak fishing. So I tested it out. The first thing I did when I got in the water was flip it. And the water was really deep. I mean, it dropped from about 6 feet to a quick 17 feet. And trust me, 17 feet is enough to get somebody into a bad situation quickly. So luckily, I had this life jacket on. I'm not a great swimmer. I'm an okay swimmer, but either way, life jacket, it's a must-have when you are kayak fishing, boating, or doing anything like that. Any kind of, any kind of activity around the water, and especially currents in the water. Those could cause big problems quickly. So gonna get it started again. Gonna see if they are still trying to munch on the suspended jerkbait. Try to target the banks where there's a lot of growth, a lot of vegetation. All right, I think it's time to switch it up. Got one. Got one. Ah, came off. Got one. Good one. That's a good one. Pretty good one. Pretty good one. There we go. Gotcha. Let's get you released. There you go. Nice. Check that one out. Pretty solid. All right, another good one. Another good one. Let's get a quick photo. All right. There he goes. Let's get the release. sure he's okay. Yeah, it's okay. There he goes. Got one. Nice. It's a pretty good one. Let's go, let's go. Alright guys, GoPro battery died, so I had to record with my phone. Oh man, nice. Nice. Look at that big chunk. Let's see if we can get a weight on it. Let's try to get a weight on it. Hold on. Pounds, 10 ounce, 2 pounds and 9 ounces is the weight on this one, guys. Look at that chunk. Pretty good. Pretty good. There we go. Alright, we're gonna record the release. Here we go. There you go. And there he goes. Awesome. Alright, time to change that battery. Hey, what's up guys? So, didn't really film my outro on the water. My battery died on my GoPro. And I was charging it. But, just to let you guys know that I called it quits around 5 o'clock. It was a long day. I was drained, completely drained. All I had was coffee and water all day. I was really hungry, and man, that sun was beating down. But ended up catching a couple good catches, so not bad. But yeah, so if you guys can do me a favor, I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you guys leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think I'm crazy, because that was crazy. It was hot and I was out there just grinding just to catch some fish. I mean, it's crazy, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think.